Okay, so this is Jo Westerfoot from the Crafty Nomads, and I promised a while ago that I would do a video of the free motion quilting holly emblem. So I'm just going to do that for you now. I'm just going to show you how I would draw the shape first. So I'm just going to come down with my pencil, make the berries, and then start the spiky leaf. Back to the berries, we'll just do a line through the middle there, and then on to the next one. And then out through the middle and on to do the next one. So that's what we're going to do, but we're going to stitch it instead. So move it out to the right there and bring the fabric over. Now I've got red fabric and I'm using white thread, so hopefully that will show up well for you. I've lowered my feed dogs and I've got my darning foot on. Mine's a little bit different to the regular ones because mine's got a built-in sensor to regulate the stitches. So whenever we start free motion quilting, we will bring the needle up and down so that we can bring the thread from underneath up. Keep it out of the way so it doesn't get caught in the design as you go along. Okay, so let's get going. We'll start those berries. Our first leaf, back to the middle there, away through the middle, do a bit of a wave and then start your next set of berries. Just try and sort of slow down when you get to those points so you get nice crisp points. Berries. Okay, we'll just stop that there and bring that down so you can take a look at it. So this will be an area where I obviously didn't get quite a nice crisp point, so it's just to get being aware that when you are making those points, just to slow down until you start off the next curved area, and that will generally give you a nice sharp point there. Okay, so I used this design on my Christmas tree cushion, which will be up on the blog shortly. So if anybody wants to have a look at that, they can. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.